sama-sama na sila.
Sama sila.
Pwede ako isa muna. Hindi, isang grupo tapos sama-sama. Okay.
No, you can't. Ano?
Wait them. Why?
Okay, you guys is later. It's okay.
One, two,
Oh, yun na, go na. Jewel.
Yay! Pretty!
Oh, lahat na, lahat. Oh, lahat. Oh, sige.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Dito yata, oh. Ah, sige.
Oh my God.
Hello guys. Ngayon, pupunta tayo ngayon sa Hampton Court Palace. Celebration niya ng Undas. Ayun mga bata. Oh. Halloween party. Welcome to Halloween party. Jewel, Rebecca. Jewel, come here muna.
Okay.
Agad. Yan. Okay ah. It's okay. Relax. Pasok tayo dito guys. Saan?
Sandali lang, Jewel.
Hello. Jewel, come on. Jewel, ka muna. Maiwan ka lang.
Ihi muna.
Basta. Wow.
Rebecca is Wednesday. I know she's Wednesday.
Dali pa pirawa kasi ihi kami.
Saan ba yan? Ginagawa nila. Andyan mamaya meron doon yung... Hi. Siya.
Hi.
Ah? Ito tabi. Party. Smile. Oh, di ba? May meron pa doon kanina eh. Yeah, it's pumpkin again. Wait lang sila, Rebecca. Asan sila, Rebecca? Mawala ka dyan. Let's go.
Abby, do your hair. I can't see your face. Yeah. Okay, bye, you guys. You're fine. I guess so.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, ano mo ito lang? Ano to? Ano to tawag dyan?
Ah, saan?
Ito itong handle na yan.
Ewan ko anong tawag ito. Ano to eh?
Para hindi na mag-ano. Hindi.
Oh, tawag ito ano?
Oh, meron pala dito. Demo nila. Guard. May sibuyas pa dyan?
Sibuyas. Tapak na tayo.
Ah, may ano? Ano yan? Baboy.
Mamaya doon
Kita lang kayo ng pagkain dito.
Fish. Over. Ay, parang kamalig ba? Isang buong bilya talaga to, no? Kay Henry, ano? History nito. Bakery. Parang natirapan yun. Oh, walang ano to eh, kasi bakery. Yun.
That would have been I'm very sorry you're not allowed to eat these because they're for the king's mouth only.
But why are your shoulders up to the
She just
table?
want people to eat. She wants someone to make her
Just like my arm.
5 things.
May din dun eh. Undercroft. Oh, may pala dun. Spiders.
I want it.
Spider web. Hindi ko lang katulong may spider web. Ayun na sa...
I know. I see already.
Ayun.
What?
Spider web.
Yes, fabric. It's fabric. Web.
Ito yung mga alak nila.
Marami nilang alak. Ayun o. Giant spider.
Lost one. Lost one.
Okay, ano na chocolate? Oh.
How did you do it?
Yeah. Thank you.
From Ethan's mom.
Pareho pala sila.
From Ethan's mom. Wow.
Saan?
From Ethan's mom. Kasi from Ethan's mom.
Yung buo sa
Doon sila sa dulo. Hello.
What will you say? Ano sasabihin kay tita?
Ano sabihin?
The green one. I only like this one. What about the lollipop?
Okay, mami. Papalo ka namin.
I only like this. I only like this cup.
Trick! Tamara! But which one? Ay,
Okay.
ate ka, ate kikisa mo.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Big old treats for my feet. How you put that?
Sayang wala. Did you see Luna? Wow, I think it's all right. It's never not there.
Oh, hindi magdala ka lalo eh. Yay.
Guys. Subscribe to Macaroni in the link in the description, guys. Subscribe to Macaroni.
Chocolate credit card.
Maganda din sa
Hello guys. Tayo, pasal-pasal muna tayo. Magandang panahon eh. Ang laki ng kabayo eh. What's that? Vegan?
I see that Switzerland.
Big one. Wow. Jewel! Mabasa ka mamaya, away tayo. Bawal. sa
Naka-outfit talaga sila.
siyempre.
Ang cute naman nila. Sila na outfit.
Kambal nila.
Oo, nga.
Oh, may maganda yung lightning. Ah? Anong
I got beach too.
Ay, go, 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 go. Video.
Cousin, cousin, that thing.
Picture o yung ano lahat tayo.
How?
Okay.
Let's fix your...
Oh, may isda pala. Oh, look. Look at fish. Fish, oh, big one.
Fishy!
Oh, it's a big one. It's a big one. Oh, yan. Oh.
Ah! Another one!
Oh. Baka mo. 1, 2, 3. Yan. Oh, kuha, kuha. Oh, yan. Kuha. Ang ganda nga eh. Jewel! Okay.
Luna!
Okay na. Oh, mula na. Ha? Doon, ano, parang garden? Isang ba yun? Ay. Ganda kanina pa lang eh. London nga.
Let's get down.
Let's go. Ayan. Ang ganda rito, broccoli. Broccoli, laking broccoli. Jewel. Bibi ah. Bibi, sino na eh? Ano? Sabi mo kay mami, gutom na. Gutom ka na? Nakalakad yan. Asan na si Jewel? Ah. Bibi, ayun naman. Ikaw mo doon. Jewel, tumabi ka na lang. Tsaka picture.
Oh, tumabi na.
Hindi nagpa-picture naman.
Pero picturean mo naman. Ladies and gentlemen.
Let's not wait. I don't want to wait.
Spirits will have to walk out. You might find them. Be gone, Michael Faraday. Be gone. Tara na.
Balik na siya.
Makita yung mga multo.
Pinapalis o pinatawag? Oh, Jill, oh. Ay, ka muna. Oh. Ano muna kami, lunch muna kami, cafe. Yan, Jewel. Gutom na si Jewel. Ano Jewel? Pizza?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, pizza daw. So let's see kung may pizza. May? Wow, busog na busog.
There's more to see. Come on. There's a poo-poo.
Enough na. Okay na. Jewel, okay na. Oo. Ganda mahal dito. Yan, sige, one by one habang walang tao ba?
Mommy, can you get
Just finally try.
Wait!
1, 2.
Okay.
1, 2.
Okay. Thank you. Jewel, come here. Plastic pala. Jewel.
No. Let's go, guys.
Ang ganda rito kung ano sa loob ng kitchen. Oh, bawal oh, may tali.
Ang ganda na color ng ano no, pumpkin tapos ano.
Tamara, I don't want you to go on top. Yeah? One more time.
Oh, wag kang sumigaw. Nakakalimutan ko.
Hindi ka pinitakbuhin daw.
Live vlog siya, no? Continue spooky adventure. Oh, yung anak ko. Oh, magic. Go guys, go. Go, sige. Hala, nilagay ka dun. Umakting. Jewel, don't be. Dito. Jewel, come here. Dito kayo guys. Dito. Come. Ayoko tumingin sa salamin, palang hindi ako makatulog mamaya. Sa salamin ba? Sino?
Vlog.
Hindi.
I want to vlog too.
No.
Okay, let's go.
Mabis ko na anak, para makalabas. Go. Start.
Okay, let's go.
Jewel, kang Baka maligaw ka.
Scarlett, come on.
Ooh. Oh, may ano pala. Wala. Wala.
Saan tayo?
Oh.
Honey, hold on.
Oh, wala.
Because when you get lost,
Kakanda dito. Dito.
Dito, this way. May ano pala to, may tricks nga.
wala to mga batang player.
Follow my dad. Ow! Hey, yo! I will save them every day. This way I go. Hey! Follow my dad.
Way out.
Wait, no, guys.
Walang gitna.
Niloko lang pa.
No, we found the wrong way.
Come. Anak ko. Ayun. Ayun. Picture. Oh. Magkaya per paano yan? Magkano?
Pag tumawa minus 40.
Pero wala pala iba.
Dinilaw ka na.
Yes.
I want to go to the flag.
Yeah. Ano yan? Naghanap ko ng picture. Mauna na si Daddy mo. Di wala.
So I will be a Lola.
Ayan, what one?
I'm free.
Yeah.
Oh, actually, it's gonna be.
Oh.
I didn't know that. Get back.
Nasa na mga bata? Ayun na po, walang
Karito nga. Oh. Rebecca. Oh, Jewel, to you. How about you? Oh. Ayun, no.
Ito, mas maganda naman talaga yung Samsung.
Maganda.
Ako kasi nasanay yung sa iPhone.
You can have this one.
Oh, the small one is
You
okay.
can have this.
Going home na.
No.
Yeah? No, papasok ko si Daddy, ha? See you.
No.
Hindi naman pa. Gusto kay Daddy.
No.
Hello guys, mga nakauwi. Dito.
No.
Hello, go home pa.
Bye.